Uzikhona Sodlaka noneminyaka engama-20 ngumdlali kamabonakude. Wenze iphulo lokufundisa nokuxhobisa abo banomdla kwanabo banqwenela ukuba ngabalingisi kumabonakude. Lo mdlali nobekade engumlingisi kumdlalo kamabonakude iGqeberha The Empire uthethe wenje ngephulo lakhe.
I think one of the main reasons why we decided to do the Zikhona Sodlaka masterclass, I think, again, I said at the beginning of the class, is that it is in celebration and in educating. It's something that I decided to do for myself because I'm celebrating being 20 years young with entertainment business. So, I think it's worth celebrating. But because it's natural for me that when you celebrate and educate, I always find an opportunity to educate, even if it's worth passing on. So the Zikhona Sodlaka masterclass really is born from the celebration of my 20 years young and educating abantu endikhale uhamba nabo.
Osebenzisana noSodlaka uthi abaphelelanga iGqeberha kuphela baseza kuhamba nezinye indawo zeli loMzantsi Afrika befundisa uluntu belola izakhono zabo bafuna ukuba ngabadlali bemiboniso kamabonakude.
It's a beginning of a journey towards Zikhona sharing 2 decades worth of experience in the industry of the arts, being a multiple award-winning actress from theatre to television productions, telenovelas, soapies, and all the others. I mean, it's been 2 decades. So basically, it is to share the information, polish the skill that she has also developed over the years as an artist within the industry. So this one is a critical point because it's a starting point. We're going to a lot of other cities across the country, training a number of interested aspiring artists on what to expect and the intellectual sharing, what we call the intellectual jewels of the arts industry, so that when they enter the job market in the industry, they are ready to tackle those critical areas that are needed to be polished, to really be worked on, so that you nurture the talent and the skill of being an artist.
Uganda bobazimasele masterclass bathi kuninzi abakufunde kulomlingisi uNembasa.
I think it has been an experience of unlocking and releasing fear and stepping into the power that I have, and it is through this masterclass that I have dreams again to act again. So it's unleashing power inside. That's what it feels like.
This masterclass was extremely informative. We got to tackle a lot of things, mainly just about how your experience is as an actor, the groundwork that you need to do, the toolkit that you need to have as an actor. You know, we spoke about voice work, we spoke about what it means to do breath work and how you need to do that, not only to prepare yourself for the performance, but to put yourself at a neutral standing where you're able to experience different frequencies and be able to play those frequencies. So it was just a beautiful, all-round, just amazing masterclass.
So excited to be part of Zikhona's masterclass tour. So great knowledge, so much great knowledge, that we're receiving from her. And I'm excited to get some more of that.
Ababazimasi bathi banqwenela ukuba amane efika amaphula kumila kunje kweliphondo khona ukuze bakwazi ukulola izakhono zabo. Kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, Dungasandile Njungu, eGqeberha.